It's a beautiful, but it's raining. Peña, what do you think about this visit?
I like very much
Yes.
the colors, the countryside, the ancient architecture, but you know the weather is so bad.
I hate the rain.
Yeah,
I hate.
yeah, me too.
Me too.
And in where PS I Love You Westfield,
Yes.
there was a lot of wind.
A lot of?
Wind.
Yes, yes, yes. A lot of. And we have taken glasses of whiskey.
Yeah, Jameson.
Jameson whiskey. Yes.
At 12 in the morning.
Yes.
Usual here in this country to drink all the time.
Yes.
It doesn't mind what kind of drink. The question is drink
Yes.
alcohol.
Beer or whiskey?
Yeah.
Beer, only whiskey and a little Baileys.
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 Irish cream.
Irish cream, Baileys. In French is Baileys. Yes. No, it's a beautiful places, but I hate raining. I hate the rain. And I hate this country. What?
Je hais la pluie.
Je hais.
Je hais.
Je hais la pluie.
Je hais la pluie.
With the umbrella of my friends, I hate the rain, and all Spanish try to speak this sentence in French, but it's too difficult for them. So Spanish people, yo odio la lluvia.
Yo odio la lluvia.
Yo odio la lluvia. Lluvia. La lluvia. It's I hate the rain in English. So guys, bye.
Bye.